Okay, continuing from the first part. So this one is talking about the relationship of the number sets. So we have natural, whole, integers, rational. So where natural is the subset of whole is subset of integers is subset of rational. Means that natural also is subset of the rational. And then this irrational is the complement of the rational, and both of these make up the real number. Okay, so do you understand the relationships? Okay, we move on for the next part. Okay, so interval of numbers. So all the numbers between two endpoints, it can be excluding or including endpoints. So we also use this symbol to indicate the boundless or infinity. And then there are three methods to show intervals. Okay, the first one should be inequality, the second one interval notation, and we can also represent with by using the number line. So let's see for the to include the value at the end points. So we have this notation in equality, but don't forget to put the equal sign. So this equal sign will indicate to include. For interval notation, we use the square bracket. And then for number line, we use solid circle or dense dot to represent the include. And then the next one is to exclude. So to exclude means that we don't want that value, we just want the value before or after. Okay, so we use the inequality sign without the equal sign. And then for interval notation, we use the round bracket. So the dot here, the circle here will be empty dot. So let's see some example. Let's say we want to find how to write down the interval notation for x in between 1 and 5, and 1 is included. So included means that we have to use the square bracket. So square bracket of 1 to 5 open bracket. And for the number line, we write down our line first. So we write down our line here. This is our number line. So we have the endpoint 1 to 5. So how to include 1? So we use we use solid circle here, and then for 5 we use empty circle. So connect these two values. So this one is how to represent in inequalities, interval notation, and number line for interval of numbers. Okay, for intersection and union between two sets, this operation can be performed on the interval. So union we represent as the U, and for intersection we use the upside down U to represent the intersection operation. So what is union? Union is to join the two sets, and then for intersection we have to use it to overlapping the two sets. We want to find the overlapping sets. Okay. Okay, let's find the solution for this example. So we want to solve the following using the number line. It means that we have to draw the number line. So for question A. Okay, for question A. So first step is to draw the number line. So we have the 0, 5, 4, 7. So list out all the endpoints increasingly. So from the left side 0, 4, 5 and 7. And then draw the sets. So the first set is 0, 5. So we have 0 to 5. 0 is included. So we have to put the dense dot. And 5 is not included. So it should be empty dot. So connect these 2 points. So we have the number sets. Okay. For the second set is from 4 to 7. So 4 both and 4, 7 both are not included. So it should be empty dots. So connect these 2 dots. So now we have the two sets. So the question asks you to find the union. So the union should be all the numbers included in these two sets. So it should be all of these areas. So how to write down the answer? So we start from 0. So the answer should be 0. Is 0 included? Yes. So we have to put the square bracket. And then how about 7? So 7 is the other endpoint. Is it included? No, it's empty dot. So it should be, yes, square bracket. Round bracket. So this is the answer. How about question B? So this question B is from negative infinity to 5, intersect with negative 1 to 9. So first step is to draw the number line. So since we don't have negative infinity on number line, we just assume negative infinity will be on the left side of number line. So we have also 5, negative 1, 9. So it should be negative 1, 5, 9 increasingly. So now sketch the set number. So the first set number is 5 to negative infinity. So it's starting from 5 to negative infinity, and 5 is not included, so it should be empty dot. The second set is from negative 1 to 9. So negative 1 is included, so dense dot, but 9 is not included, so empty dot. So connect these 2 points. So now the question asks you to find the intersection. So how to find the intersection? It means that we want to find the overlapping area. So find the overlapping area. So it should be in between negative 1 to 5. So the answer is negative 1 to 5. But is negative 1 included? So we have to check whether negative 1 is in both of the sets. So we have negative 1 here. Yes. We also have negative 1 here. So the bracket should be the square bracket. How about 5? 5 only exists in the second set. So we don't have 5 in the first set. So it should be round bracket. So this is the answer for question B. So example 3. So we have these two sets, A and B. And then the question asks you to find A union B and A intersect with B. So first, what we have to do, the same as the previous question, is to sketch the number line. So what we have this number 2, 4, negative 1, negative 5, negative 1, 2, 6 as endpoints. So what we should do is to write down all of these number on number line increasingly. So negative 5, negative 2, negative 1, 2, 4, 6. So for A, what is A? A is in between negative 2 to 4. So negative 2 to 4, negative 2 equal sign means that it's included. So 4 no equal sign means that it's empty dot. So this is for set A. How about set B? So let's see set B. So set B, we have negative 5 to negative 1. So negative 5 to negative 1, negative 5 is not included, empty, negative 1 included, so dense dot. So another set is 2 to 6. So both are not included, so empty dot for both. So now for question A union B. A union with B. So how to write down the answer? So we should write down the answer in this interval notation as the question. So X is what? So we should find it. So what is A union with B? So union means that we just take everything on the both sets. So we start from negative 5 to 6. So is negative 5 included? No. So it should be less than only. And then it goes up to 6. So is 6 included? No. So we don't have to put equal sign here. Okay. So this is the answer for the first part. Okay, the next part is A. Sorry. Okay, the next part is for A intersect B. So where is the area for intersection? So we have to make sure the area exists on both sets. So where is the area? So the first part is here and the second part is here. So notice that this area consists both set A and set B. So what is the answer? Okay, we can write down in the form of interval notation. So the first set is from negative 2 to 1. -1, sorry. So is -2 included? Yes, -2 is exists on set A and set B. So we should put equal sign here. How about -1? It also exists on both set A and set B. So we have the equal sign. And then we have two answers. It should be all here. So we have 2 to 4. So 2 to 4. Is 2, 4 included? Both are not included. Empty dot in the set B for 2 and empty dot for set A for number 4. So it should be open bracket or less than only. So this is the answer for A, intersect with B.